it's important to make a distinction to did your response plan get overwhelmed? That is, the situation was far greater than what you would normally expected to see happen, or was your team responding to a situation that you were trying to anticipate? So you know a response plan worked when the team responds in a way to where they can mitigate the risk that takes place and resolve the conflict without allowing it to escalate further. It's important that they're not there to respond as law enforcement would. The way law enforcement would respond would be in a manner to where they are the authority figure on scene and everything has to respond according to their command. In a response plan to conflict in the workplace, it would be very different. There's a security person who's involved, but it may be other members of executive management that are also responsible of being a part of the response. And so what you'll see is that, particularly when it's employees that are involved, that it doesn't need to be the security person that's involved. It may be one of the members of executive management that is participating in a certain response plan. The point is that you know the plan worked well when the outcome was that there's a report that's being written and nobody's been hurt. Or if somebody was hurt, you mitigated the degree to which they had been hurt. You responded quickly. You know a response plan failed when the security team that was responsible for reacting comes to you and says, well, we didn't have the right tools to respond to this situation, or we didn't know who was supposed to be responding, or we thought law enforcement was on the way. What you're looking for are symptoms that the plan failed. So you'll know that the plan worked after it's been tested. And you can test that not only with a live situation, you test that in training. So it's an iterative process. It's something that's always being groomed. Similar to a website, you don't put it up and leave it that way. You arrange it and then you continually groom it, so over time it continually improves.